Hey guys, so I'm doing a new video on this Empire B43 that is modified to have a turbine. Empire made turbine engines back in the 20s that had their cast iron base, but they didn't make any more after that. And this one seems to be a modified either by Empire or by the company down here where it says Laboratory Materials Company in Chicago, Illinois. Um, Pretty sure it's just a one off. There is a page in Don Stilson's book that talks about this engine. I'll show it right here. And they couldn't figure it out either. So it's a very interesting little engine. Again, it's a number 43, made either in the late 50s or up into the mid 60s before Empire closed. It's in very good shape. I suspect maybe it was a presentation item, either built for or by laboratory materials. It's there's some minor scratches and wear, but otherwise, the engine is in remarkable good condition. I mean, the steam line looks like it would have been an original piece, the way that his nickel looks. Doesn't look to be, overly bent to be fitted to this turbine. If we look at the bottom, this is how I know it's a much later Empire. Sit it down carefully. So we have the later style UL safety screws, heater, where they were trying to be compliant and safer with their heaters so kids couldn't get into them. As we can tell, it's stamped Empire Metalware, catalog number 43. Have this big old square nut for the turbine. We can tell, you can see it. There you go. I think these are the weld marks where the original perches were out for the, I'll spit it out in a second, for the cylinder and the wheel and everything. So it used to be a fully 43 and then was made into this turbine. Put it back. Alright, open her up. Very nice smokestack. Go ahead and fill her up. Using bottled drinking water that is has a little distilled water mixed into it. Let's see. Almost. Got some water into it. Put the stack back on. Plug it in. And then we'll come back after she's warmed up. Thank you, Apple, for finally adding a pause button to the video camera. Okay, guys, I'm back after about 5 minutes or so of waiting for the water to warm up and get steamy. I think it's just about ready to move the little turbine. Steam comes out of the pipe and just kind of hits those fans and twirls it around. And let's see if we can get it going. There we go. Got a little bit of a movement. Don't have the throttle all the way open. Let's go a little bit more. There we go. Let's take her down a little bit and close her up. Let it build up a little bit more steam. Come out a little bit. There we go. Great little sound. Hopefully it's coming across pretty good. Do a little whistle, let's see. You can see that there is no pulley on the outside, which if it did, it wouldn't have any power to run anything. It's just a cool factor to look at and to listen to. It doesn't take it much to go through its steam. Also, I don't think I've let it fully heat up and build up pressure. And again, this is the engine. The only thing I've done to it is just dust it. I don't even think I actually used any of my Maz polishing on the nickel. Did not take apart the seals for the sight glass. One more time. Alright, well, this is my Empire 43 Laboratory Materials Company out of Chicago, Illinois. Turbine engine. Pretty sure this is a unique engine. Very possible a one-off. Unknown if Empire Corporation created this for laboratory materials or laboratory materials created for themselves for a presentation. Thanks. See you next time.